Hello, my name is Maël and I come from France. I'm here in Bamberg for 1 year as an exchange student, but today I'm going to try to explain you how to use the virtual campus, also known as VC in German. But first of all, let's go back home. New university, new environment and new organization. I know that it can be sometimes difficult to integrate a new university abroad, and that's why today I'm going to try to make the step of the virtual campus easier for you. And first of all, let's open our laptops. The virtual campus enables students to find the content of the courses online. But be careful, in most of the cases, the teachers don't upload everything, so you still have to attend class to get all the necessary information. On the virtual campus, you will also find some additional teaching aids, the homework, and you can also ask questions and discuss with your teacher. Now you know what the purpose of the virtual campus is, let's see how to log in. You are now on the website of the University of Bamberg. By scrolling down to the bottom, you will find the links to all the online tools used at the university. The other tools are explained in other videos, so let's focus on the virtual campus. Here is the homepage of the virtual campus. Now you have to log in. For that, you need to click on Login here on the upper right corner. Now you can see that there are two possibilities. Let's focus on the right side, that concerns students of the University of Bamberg. Normally, you should have received your BA number per mail from the university. If not, please contact the university because your BA number will enable you to log in on every online support of the university. So let's fill in your BA number and password. If you don't feel comfortable with German yet, you can always change the languages here on the top. Sometimes some information stays in German on the virtual campus, so take your time and be careful to not misunderstand them. You can also find other settings on the top right corner. Here you have the possibility to configure your calendar, your preferred language, but also your passwords. You can also edit your profile and add some additional information about you, as well as a picture. Now you're logged in and changed the language. You're ready to discover the main function of the virtual campus, namely finding the courses. As you can see, you can find and do a lot of different things on the virtual campus. But the most important for you this year will be the courses you want to attend. There are two possibilities to find a course on the virtual campus. The first one, on the right side, is to type the name or the number of the course you want to find. The second one, in the middle, consists in looking for a course through the organizational structure of the university. For that, you need to have a good knowledge of the names of the departments, faculties, and chairs. First of all, you have to choose your faculty. Then, you have to select the subject group in which the course is offered. And then, you can see a list of the chairs. You have to select the right one and finally select the semester. Generally, if you know the name of the course, it's easier to choose the first option and directly write it. In most of the cases, you need a keyword to subscribe for the course on the virtual campus. Usually, this keyword is given by your teacher during the first class. Now you registered for the course, you can find a lot of information about the course, for example, important dates, course notes, and other contents. The blue and green speech bubbles represent the forums. There are generally two types of forum. One is dedicated to discuss and ask questions to your teacher. If you want to start a new topic, click on Add a new discussion topic, and then write the subject and your message. The other possibilities with the forum functionality is the announcement of relevant information from the lecturers. Here, you will just have the right to read. The other information you will find on the virtual campus depends on the way that your teacher uses it. If you change your mind about a class and you don't want to attend it anymore, it is also possible to drop this class on the virtual campus. So let's see now how it works. To do that, you need to go on the main page of the course and click on the settings symbol here next to the name of the course. Here you can read Selbst vom Kurs abmelden. Click here and then click on Weiter if you are sure that you want to deregister. So now I think we saw together the main functions of the virtual campus, but if you still have questions, don't hesitate to ask the other students. It can be a good occasion to make new friends. Thanks for watching this video and have a good time in Bamberg. Bye!